In light chapter reflection part, we learned all the image formations of a mirror. Now, we will learn about what is mirror formula. Okay, mirror formula. Actually, when an object is placed in front of a mirror, the image will be formed at a particular distance. Okay, so the relation connecting image distance, object distance, and focal length, we call it as mirror formula. Okay, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. We will learn how to derive this in grade 12. But right now, you should know that for every mirror, 1 by V plus 1 by U is 1 by F. What is U? It is the distance of object from pole. Distance of object from pole. Object from pole. What is image distance V? V is the distance of, it is the distance of image from pole. Image from pole. Always remember the distances of object, image, and focal length, everything is taken from the reference point will be always pole. And what is F? F is the focal length. It is the distance of focus from pole. So this is the mirror formula. If you know what is U and what is F, you can find where the image will be formed. And this is what we call it as mirror formula. Now, the second thing is magnification. Okay, magnification. Magnification means, suppose you have an object of 3 centimeter. Okay, after looking it through the mirror, you saw the image as 9 centimeter. Okay, that means it is enlarged. Enlarged how many times or how much it is enlarged? So this is your height of the object and this is the height of the image. So magnification is given by how much it is enlarged. We can see that 3 became 9. That means it is 3 times magnified. How did you get that? HI divided by HO. That means 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. So magnification is nothing. It is the ratio of height of the image to height of the object. Okay. Or it can be also calculated with the formula minus of V by U. Okay. Now, what will be the unit of magnification? There is no unit for magnification because HI and HO will be in centimeter. They cancel. V and U are also in centimeter. So they will cancel. Now, you need to understand that magnification has 2 things with it. One is called magnitude. That means how much. And second is sign. Sign, whether it is plus or minus. You need to understand that magnitude of magnification will tell you the size of the image. And the sign of the magnification will give us the nature of the image. Now I will explain it. First, we will see the magnitude. For example, we are taking the magnification as, if it is greater than 1. Okay, magnification is greater than 1. What does it mean? HI by HO is greater than 1. Or I can say HI is greater than HO. So if there is a magnification value greater than 1, for example, M is equal to 2, that means it is magnified twice. If M is equal to 10, that means it is magnified 10 times. Similarly, if M is less than 1, for example, M is equal to half, then HI by HO is less than 1. That means HI is less than HO. That means it is diminished. That means height of the image will be half of height of the object. Now, third is, what if magnification is equal to 1? Okay, if magnification is equal to 1, then it means HI by HO is 1 or HI is equal to HO, that is same size. So one is enlarged, one is diminished, one is same size. So size is given by the magnitude. That time, don't check the sign. Okay, just check whether it is greater than 1 or less than 1. What about the sign? Is M is equal to HI by HO? If M is negative, we know that height of the object cannot be negative. So that means HI will be negative. What is the meaning of HI is negative? HI negative means the height of the image is negative, means the image is inverted. And inverted images are real. Now, what about if M is positive? If M is positive, that means your HI is also positive, because HO cannot be negative. HO will be always positive. So, if the height is positive, it is erect image, or it is also called as virtual image. So, the sign of magnification, M positive, virtual, M negative, real. So, this is the uh, calculation of what the magnitude and sign of magnification gives us. So basically, we have two formulas with us. One is mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, and magnification is equal to HI divided by HO, which is equal to minus V by U. In this, we have actually 5 terms: U, V, F, HI, HO. So we need to know the convention. Convention means like graph, okay, everything to the left side, everything calculated to the left will be taken as negative, to the right will be taken as positive. That means this is the vertical line is the mirror. So everything from the left of the pole should be negative, right of the pole should be positive. And this is your principal axis. Okay. With respect to principal axis, any measurement above the principal axis is positive, and any measurement below the principal axis will be negative. That means if HI is negative, it means it is inverted. Okay. So we will see the convention for concave and convex mirrors. Concave or convex and concave mirrors. What are the 5 terms? We have U, V, F, HI, and HO. HI and HO. You know, irrespective of whether it is concave or convex, we always take light to travel from left to right. So always the object will be to the left side. So U will be always negative. U can never be positive. U will be positive only if the image is or the object is placed at the right side of the mirror. And what is always positive is HO. We always keep the object erect only. Now, if it is a concave mirror, your focus or focal length is negative. And if it is a convex, your focal length is positive. So remember, children, if it is convex, your focal length is positive, and for concave, it is negative. These 3 things is very clear. The remaining 2, you need to check the image formation. You know, in a convex mirror, always the image is formed to the right side only. So, always it is positive. Okay. So, what is positive means? It is virtual image. That means it is formed after the mirror. And this HI can be only positive, because we know that in case of a convex mirror, you will not get a real image. So all virtual images are always erect. So always remember, children, If it is convex, it is very easy. Out of the 5, all 4 are positive except U. But when we come to concave, in concave, total 6 image formations are there. 5 are real, okay? And 1 is virtual. That means your V can be positive and V can be negative. V is positive means the image is formed to the right side, which is virtual. And if V is negative, it is reflection, reflected, and the image is formed to the left side. So it is real image. So in a concave mirror image formation, you know that there are 5 cases where the image is formed to the left side, which is the real image. Now, when it comes to HI, if it is positive, what is HI positive means? Erect image. So that is virtual. And if it is negative, it means it is real. The same thing will come here for V and HI. Same thing will come here for V and HI. So now let's do a numerical based on the mirror formula. Okay. So just one formula, one problem we will discuss. There is an object of height 4 centimeter. So height of the object is 4 centimeter. Positive or negative, children? Positive, because height of the object is positive. It is placed at 25 centimeter. Placed at 25 centimeter. U is 25 centimeter. But it is U only, so it should be negative. In front of a concave mirror. What is the focal length of a concave mirror? Concave mirror focal length is negative, and that is given as 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror the screen should be placed to get a sharp image? So they are asking what is V? What is V? Okay. Then after finding the V, we can find the nature and size. Size is HI is also asked. So either from V or from HI, you can find what is the nature of the image, whether it is real or inverted. So what is the formula? That should be written first. Any mirror formula sum, please write the mirror formula first. Okay. And what is the magnification formula? HI by HO equal to minus V by U. So write the original formulas first because formulas carry. Okay. Now 1 by V equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. This is equal to 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by minus 25. Okay. Minus of minus, it will become plus. So 1 by V can be written as 1 by 25 minus 1 by 15. Now we need to find the LCM. So 1 by V is equal to LCM of 25 and 15 is 75. 25 will go 3 times. 15 will go 5 times. So you will get 1 by V is equal to minus 2 by 75. So what is V, children? Minus 75 divided by 2 centimeter. Either you can keep it like this or you can write it as in the decimal. That's it, 75 divided by 2. Okay. 30, what are 37.5. But you can keep it like V itself. Okay. Now, in order to find HI, we know that HI by HO is minus V by U. So what is HI? Minus V by U into HO. Please apply the convention every time in the numerical. You need to put all the convention. So minus is already there. V is minus 75 by 2. U is minus 25 and HO is 4 centimeter. So when you calculate this, you will get this as 3 into 4, 12. 1 minus will get cancelled, but 1 minus still remain. So this is equal to minus of 12 by 2, 6 centimeter. Okay. So two things you can find from the magnification, children. One is sign. Sign is negative. So it is a real image because it is inverted. And 6 is greater than 1. So it is an enlarged image. So real enlarged image will be formed. I repeat, magnification or HI, you get it as minus. Minus for magnification means it is real inverted. And magnitude is greater than 1 means it is an enlarge. See, 4 centimeter will become 6 centimeter. So this is the mirror formula and magnification.